Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a review on this Fanttik Slim V9 Mix car vacuum. So here's everything that comes in the box. Here's the actual vacuum cleaner. You are going to want to charge it up. You do have to charge it up with USB-C. So it does come with a USB-C cable. Also comes with several different attachments. We've got this attachment, which I'm going to show you how it works. Little crevice tool here. Now we've got these attachments because it's a vacuum and a blower. So these are for like when you want to this is the vacuum side. Now when we want to convert it to a blower, it is best if you take the vacuum cleaner part off so that you have more airflow in, because it's going to be sucking air from here, and then that's where the blower is on this side. Now we simply just take these tools, put them on this side now, kind of turn it to lock it into place. Turn it on. You have to hold the button a little bit. You got low and high. Then hold it to turn it on. The controls are the same for the vacuum or the blower. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 attachments for a blower. And then when we want to convert it back to a vacuum, line up the lock, click it to the lock position, hold the button, and now it's got a vacuum cleaner. And it always starts off in low. Press the button again, that's high. Press the button again, and it'll turn off. Now when you got all the stuff in there that you have vacuumed up, take it to the trash can, lift this little lever, press this button, and everything's going to come out. Now you will have to clean this filter once in a while, so there's a little handle here. Okay, pull that out. Now this filter, we can take this to the sink, rinse this out, let it dry, take this off, rotate this to the left. Again, that's like a little screen. You can blow that out, rinse it out, let it dry overnight. Same with this little HEPA filter. You can rinse this off, but then you have to let it dry in the sun. When it's all dry, put it back together, push that in until it clicks and turn it. Now you got to line this up, push that in until it's nice and flat. Now take this, start in the unlock position, rotate it to the lock, you're ready to go. This is a really nice handheld vacuum. I love this attachment. This is probably my favorite attachment. Now to charge it, you will need a wall adapter. Here I've got one from this outlet. Now we're going to plug it in on the bottom, USB-C. You can plug it in either way, and it's going to show us our charging up here. Now it does take 2 to 3 hours to fully charge it. Okay, so when it's fully charged, that battery icon will be on steady all the way across, but then it will go out after a minute. Now, if it's flashing 5 times, that means the battery is too hot or too cold to charge. Let's take a look at the specs. The battery capacity, 2,500 milliamp hours, 80 watts, noise level 75 dB, runtime, high speed 13 minutes, low speed 30 minutes. All right, let's measure. So the vacuum without any attachments is 8.5 inches that way. Oh, it's about 6.5 that way. The handle is right at about 3 3/4. It just feels, it's lightweight. I like that you can like grip and use it as a vacuum. You're not holding it like one of these vacuums. You got like a handle grip here, so that's really nice. Crevice tool looks like it's about 6 inches long. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do, there's the power switch. Press the power switch. It's gonna turn on in low. Press it again, you go to high. Wow, it is really powerful. It's doing a good job. We got different attachments that we can put on. Let's put on the brush attachment. Now I got the crevice tool. I can get really far down in there. All right, let's just finish up one last pass. Actually doing a really good job. Wow. Okay, so let's simulate taking it to the trash can. You're simply going to press that lever, was probably down. That's the lock lever. Move that up, press this button, and then everything's going to come out. Now, once in a while, you may have to take it apart. We got quite a bit of dirt and debris. We can take the filter out. There. Okay, now let's convert it to a blower. Here I've got the attachment. Let's turn it on. Just click it on a little bit like that. Again, it helps if you take the vacuum part off so it has more airflow in. You can leave it on, but it just helps if you have more airflow. Press the button. Low speed first. Press it again. Now we're on high. Again, lots of power. So I really do like this Fanttik Slim V9 Mix vacuum cleaner for a car. It charges with USB-C. It's got a display here, shows you the battery percentage. You got 2 levels of suction or 2 levels of it being a blower also. And again, I like how this feels. It's very nice, very easy to use. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.